Sugarcane juice is not just a summer drink anymore. It is revolutionizing India's quest for biofuels for vehicles. India is on a mission to increase ethanol blend in petrol to 20% under its National Ethanol Blending Program (EBP). India is trying to reduce its emissions and aims to achieve the net zero emissions target by 2070. And blending petrol with ethanol is one of the ways that will help in cutting vehicular emissions. Ethanol has oxygen, so it burns more completely, leaving behind fewer harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide and unburnt fuel. It is also a renewable fuel, which means lower carbon impact all over. After achieving over 17.98% blend in February 2025, the Indian government has advanced the target to achieve the 20% blend to 2026 from the previous deadline of 2030. Sugarcane juice contributed to almost 50% of country's total ethanol production in 2023. But other feedstocks like maize, cassava, rotten potatoes, broken rice, grains unfit for consumption, agricultural residues like rice and cotton stalks, corn cobs, sawdust, and bagasse are also extensively used to produce ethanol, and their share in overall production is steadily increasing. However, sugarcane still remains an important source of the biofuel. In the light of ethanol production, payments to sugarcane farmers have become more regularized after policy changes that allow sugar mills to use surplus sugarcane juice for ethanol, according to the government. Despite these changes, farmers are moving away from sugarcane, leading to a decline in production in the last 2 years.
गन्ने का रकबा घट रहा है, क्योंकि गन्ने में बीमारी बढ़ रही, लागत बहुत आ रही है, साल भर की फसल है, गन्ना किसानों को रेट मिल नहीं रहा है, छिलाई वो महंगी हो गई है, लेबर वो महंगा, पेस्टिसाइड वो महंगा हो गया, एग्रीकल्चर के इंस्ट्रूमेंट कोई लेते हैं जीएसटी लग गई, वो महंगा हो गया.
According to media reports, climate-related reasons like increase in red rot disease due to rise in temperature and humidity may be a factor in the declining crop production. Moreover, sugarcane is a water-guzzling crop, and erratic rainfall and depleting groundwater levels make it a challenging crop for farmers. To overcome this, the government is taking steps to encourage more farmers to grow sugarcane for ethanol production. It has increased the fair and remunerative price for sugarcane for 2024-25 to rupees 340 or US dollars 3.9 per quintal. This is an increase of rupees 25 per quintal from the previous financial year. But many experts feel that increasing sugarcane cultivation will deplete groundwater further and might lead to a water crisis in many areas. Scientists at the Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research are trying to develop new sugarcane varieties that consume less water. They are also testing farming practices like drip irrigation and ring pit planting technique to increase yield and minimize water wastage.